Can't wait to give more of your money to Google and Facebook during your busy season? Looking forward to increasing your online ad spend, hoping to outbid your competition? Well, it doesn't have to be this way. Do this instead. Create scarcity. Turn those visitors into customers. If you have limited edition items, let your visitors know that they gotta get it now before you're sold out. And when they're sold out, they're gone for good. Push urgency. Let visitors know that they need to buy now so they can get it before an event is coming up like summer, holidays, back to school, etc. Focus on your email broadcasting. Each time you get a visitor through email, this is money you don't have to spend on Google and Facebook ads. Time your campaigns with national days. National Denim Day, Lingerie Day, Boxer Shorts Day, Sweatpants Day, Pants Day, No Pants Day, Day Without Shoes, Wear Purple, Wear Green for St. Patrick's Day. There are special days for all industries. Check out the national days by month, and you can do a search at listofnationaldays.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Oh, check this out. Did you know Singles Day, November 11th, is the biggest online shopping day by far? It beats Black Friday and Cyber Monday combined. Big time. Never heard of it? Who cares? Pretend it's a U.S. holiday and push that urgency. Now I want you to push out those emails. The more you push out those emails, and the more you push on scarcity and urgency, the less likely you'll need to rely on Google and Facebook ads this busy season. And if you like what you're hearing, then hit that like button and leave a comment below. Now watch this next video where I show you how you can use email broadcasting to increase your revenue now.